Nightmare woke me up and made me think twice about how safe and secure my house is and my family members are. Soon as I woke up, I opened my laptop and started doing the research. There are many companies which offer home security systems, so I had to make my choice which is the best one, most efficient one, and of course, budget friendly. I had three things in my list. One, it should be budget friendly or cheap. Two, it should be a DIY so that I can do it myself. And third, it should be self monitored because I know if it's a professional monitored, those are expensive. My choice was Ring. I spent a good time researching the Amazon Ring system and comparing it to all other security systems. I'm not saying it is the best one in the market, but it kind of fit my budget as well as the things I was looking for. So from those multiple options, I think 14-piece was too much for my house. So I went for a 5-piece system and I added 2 extra door sensors. Amazon's Ring's alarm system has some reputation now in market for those who are looking for DIY and self-monitored systems. I also received quotations from some other security systems, and finally I think I had to make a choice to Amazon's Ring system and I made my purchase, add to cart. With Amazon Prime's 2-day delivery, I got my parcel right away. I opened it and today I'm going to show you what I received in the box. So this is the Ring alarm system that I received from Amazon and a free Echo Dot complimentary. I also ordered a security camera and some door sensors. Check the description in this video and you will see the link from where I purchased everything. This is the Blink camera compatible with this Ring alarm system. Extra magnetic door sensors for the 2 extra doors I have, and finally the complete alarm system box. You will also need Amazon Echo or any home device. So let's get started. First thing in the box is the base station. Now this is the most important part of the alarm home security system because it will control all other devices and centralize it. Next important thing is this keypad control. It is very important because it will be just at the main door entrance wherever you will enter so that you can activate or deactivate the alarm. Also comes with a mounting kit. Next is the motion sensor. This is my favorite device because it gives me constant updates if there is any motion in the house when we are not home. This piece is the range extender because if the house is big, you will need all the signals to reach every other part of the house. Also, this 5-piece security system kit includes 1 door magnetic sensor. And as I said, it should be a DIY. I found this security system super easy to install and get hooked up. And lastly, as I said, I ordered extra magnetic sensors for 2 more doors in my house. I have 3 doors, so all 3 doors are now equipped with these sensors. And last but not the least is this Blink mini security camera. It has 2-way audio communication, so I can also listen or I can also speak if there is a stranger in the house and I can yell, "Hey you, I can see you." And I'm not a very handy person, so if I can install it, anyone can. If you are wondering how to get started, please watch this video till end. I started with mounting this base station on my wall. And when I plugged it in, this blue circle started ringing. Then I opened this Ring app in my phone and it showed me step by step how to set up this base station. For each device, the setup was incredibly easy and something that anyone can just follow along. Once I connected to the Wi-Fi, it was pretty much ready to go. Hey, now that's installed. We cleaned up the space with the vacuum cleaner to remove all the dust, and this is how it looks after installation. Next step is installation of the keypad, and also just plug in the range extender device because the base station needs to communicate with the keypad. The keypad should be installed at the door which is used most often, and it has three options. Either you will say I'm away from the house, disarm the house, or now I am inside the home, secure the house. That was easy to be installed as 1, 2, 3. Next thing is to install the motion sensor. The motion sensor should be installed where it can cover the maximum area where the motion can happen. The next is contact sensors or magnetic sensors for the door. This sensor will let me know if at any point a door is opened or the door is closed. Also, the app creates a log of every time the door opens or closes. If somebody tries to break in or force the door open, as soon as the door opens, the two magnetic sensors will get away from contact and the alarm will go off. There's an added option that whenever the door opens or closes, there will be a chime sound, which is very nice to hear, and also the app will have log of each time a door is opened or closed. And just to make the home a little bit more smart, we have these smart thermostat installed by Nest. So time I walk past it, it shows me what's the temperature inside and outside the house and time and everything else I need to know. These smart thermostats increase the efficiency for heat system in our house, and also this green leaf, whenever it lights up, it means we are in the cost saving mode. So other than the keypad control that I showed you, I can use voice command for Alexa or use this app to arm or disarm the house. So this panic button, which I press on the top right, it will get the alarm go off. Do you want to hear how it sounds? Boy, this alarm can wake up my entire neighborhood. With self-monitoring, there will be a notification sent to the nearest emergency station. Overall, now I feel that my fort is unbreachable. I live in a very peaceful and low crime neighborhood, but still, the safety and security of my family is my number one priority, and this Ring alarm system has brought peace to my mind. That's all for this video. Please make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and stay safe. Bye-bye.